I'm Chris Moore, your Century 21 Realtor, and today welcome to 704 Colony Drive. This house has some great floor plan features, including 2 separate living rooms and a flex room that can be a study, formal dining room, office, or den. Come on inside and check it out. Just inside the front entry, there's this large living area, and what's great about it is there's this whole wall of windows. It brings the backyard space into the indoors and creates a great focal point as guests first arrive. Cozy, comfortable, and well collected. This second living room is a nod to the hearth room idea that we've seen in traditional floor plans. This room features a great fireplace, built-ins, and a whole wall of windows inviting more natural light inside. There's outstanding connection between the hearth room and the kitchen area. Just over this designer bar, you can interact easily with family and friends from the kitchen to the living space. The kitchen has some updates that you'll love. There's a marble countertops, tile backsplash, and the centerpiece is this great top counter that's made of reclaimed wood from Urban Farmhouse. This is actually railcar wood, and it fits this space perfectly in terms of the tone and design. Another unique feature about this floor plan is the size of this dining area. You can use a table with a leaf and seat up to 10 people if you like. The primary suite is on the back corner of the house, and there's a great bath suite. It has double vanity, jacuzzi tub, and a separate shower area. You're gonna love the backyard area. There's a raised bed garden section. There's some sections where the patio has been extended out to a game area. You could place a fire pit or a fire table. And with this large patio, there's plenty of space for entertaining barbecues. The Copperfield Edition in Edmond, Oklahoma is a fantastic neighborhood to live in. It features a neighborhood pool, a neighborhood park, green spaces, and it's super close to schools, shops, and restaurants of West Edmond. Thanks for joining me, and call today for your private tour at 704 Colony Drive.